In today's video, we want to discuss with you about the key differences and learning paths between traditional painting and digital art. First is tools. While we use pencils, oil paint, acrylics, paper, canvas for traditional paintings, we need computers, tablets, graphic software for digital art. Second is materials. While we use natural colors from paint, ink, pencils for traditional paintings, we need digital colors, pixels for digital art. Third is techniques. While we use brushes, collage, blending, pouring paint for traditional paintings, we need using digital brushes, layers, effects for digital art. Next is the ease of editing. It's a bit hard and takes much time to edit or even repaint a traditional painting. It's easier to undo and unlimited editing a digital art. One more important thing to compare is preservation. Traditional painting may be prone to damage over time and needs special care, while digital art are not affected by time, easily stored as digital files. Next is the style and depth. Traditional painting can have the realistic depth through layers of paint, physical textures, while artist creates depth in digital art through light effects, opacity. And we also have to mention the cost. We have to count the costs of materials, paint, paper, canvas, brushes, etc., for traditional painting and costs for hardware and software for digital art. About the required skills. Traditional art requires skills in controlling real materials, understanding of real-world colors, while digital art requires skills in using software, digital tools. About the physical interaction. Traditional art can bring physical and tactile experience through hands, while it is mainly interacts through screens and digital devices when making digital art. How about the final product? Traditional painting is a unique artwork, cannot be perfectly replicated, while it can be easier to create and replicate multiple copies, a digital art. Last but not least is the suitable audience for learning. While traditional painting is ideal for those who prefer hands-on, tactile experiences and a deep understanding of physical mediums, digital art is ideal for those who are comfortable with technology and prefer flexibility and convenience. That's all we can list today. Please share with us if you can think of any other differences between these two kinds of art.